explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 23 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is essay writing, right? So if we talk about essay writing, what is it? So basically, whenever we have been provided with the topic, right, and we used to frame these sentences, we used to combine those sentences and form a paragraph. But now in the essays, because they are a little bit lengthy as compared to the paragraphs, so they are actually the कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ द पैराग्राफ्स, यानी कि पैराग्राफ्स में हमें सेंटेंसेस को कंबाइन करके लिखना होता है, बट एसेज में हमें पैराग्राफ्स को कंबाइन करके लिखना है. करेक्ट. सो लेट अस रीड द चैप्टर एंड सी कि हाउ वी कैन फ्रेम द एसेज. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आर सेइंग दैट एन एसे इज अ रिटन कॉम्पोजिशन, कि एक एसे एक रिटन कॉम्पोजिशन है. We may write it to describe an event, a person, or any idea. कि हम लिख सकते हैं, डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं किसी इवेंट को, या फिर किसी पर्सन को, या फिर किसी आइडिया को भी, राइट? There are few steps which you need to follow before writing an essay. तो कुछ स्टेप्स हैं जो आपको चाहिए ताकि आप फॉलो कर सको राइट एसे को लिखने से पहले, राइट? सो व्हाट आर दे? फर्स्ट, रीड द टॉपिक ऑफ द एसे केयरफुली. सबसे पहले आप एसे का जो टॉपिक है उसको बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ोगे. राइट डाउन ऑल दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड रिगार्डिंग द टॉपिक ऑन अ रफ पेपर. कि सबसे पहले आप वो चीज़ें एक रफ पेपर पे लिख लोगे जो टॉपिक का नाम पढ़ते ही आपके माइंड में आती है, राइट? ऑर्गेनाइज द आइडियाज एंड प्रिपेयर एन आउटलाइन. कि इन आइडियाज को आपको एक सीरीज में ऑर्गेनाइज करना होगा और उनके लिए आउटलाइंस प्रिपेयर करनी होंगी. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस आउटलाइन वी राइट द एसे. और इन आउटलाइन के बेसिस पर ही हम एसे को लिखना शुरू करेंगे, राइट? नाउ वी हैव सम पॉइंट्स व्हाइल राइटिंग द एसे. जब आप एसे लिख रहे हो तब क्या करना चाहिए? सो स्टार्ट द एसे विद एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टेटमेंट ऑन द टॉपिक. सबसे पहले जो आप पहली स्टेटमेंट लिखोगे टॉपिक पे वो बहुत ही ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होनी चाहिए. ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ इंट्रोड्यूस द मेन सब्जेक्ट और थीम ऑफ द एसे. कि जो सबसे पहला पैराग्राफ होता है एसे का, उसमें मेन सब्जेक्ट या फिर एसे की थीम को डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट 2 or 3 पैराग्राफ्स प्रोवाइड डिटेल्स ऑन द टॉपिक. कि जो अगले 2 या 3 पैराग्राफ्स होते हैं वो उस टॉपिक पे डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ समराइज द मेन आइडिया ऑफ द एसे. लास्ट पैराग्राफ में आप एसे का जो मेन आइडिया है उसको शॉर्टली समराइज करके उसमें एक्सप्लेन करोगे, राइट? नाउ वेयर वी हैव सम एग्जांपल्स फॉर essays. So the first example is how I spend my Sundays, right? So let us read this and find out कि हम कैसे essays को frame कर सकते हैं. After 6 days of homework, classwork, and projects, Sunday comes as a relief. On Sunday, I woke up a little late. Instead of my alarm clock, it is the aroma of cutlets that wakes me up. After having the tasty cutlets prepared by mother, I head straight to the local park. I play cricket with my friends there. We play for many hours, and when it is noon and we cannot bear the heat anymore, we call off the game and return home. My mother smiles at me when she finds fully drenched in sweat. She sends me for a shower while she lays the table for lunch. I love every Sunday because it is my day. On this day, all my favorite dishes are prepared by mother. That's why I take a longer time than usual to finish my lunch. After lunch, I retire to my own room. I turn to my bookshelf and pull out a Tintin comic book or any of the books of Harry Potter series. I get lost in Tintin's adventure and Potter's magical world. I hardly notice when evening sets in. My mother calls me to have the special snacks she usually makes for me, that is finger chips. While having it, I often wonder why every day is not a Sunday. Then I spend some time with my grandparents who tell me stories of the bygone days or about my father's childhood. At times, they even tell me what I used to do when I was very young. I just love such Sunday evenings. Then it is a dinner time, during which I watch television for an hour or so. Afterwards, I go to my room and pack my bag for Monday morning. I feel sad that a Sunday has come to an end. But then I realize that after another week, another such Sunday would come. Right? So you saw, हमने कितने इजी तरीके से अपने थॉट्स एक्सप्लेन किए सिंपली कि हम संडे को क्या करते हैं. Right? Now we have some another topics. That is the first time I performed on stage. Right? After that, we have the topic a visit to a fair, a view from my window, right? My favorite game. Let's read this one, my favorite game, right, which looks interesting. So it is, games help to give us relief from homework until tests and project work. Games also enable us to spend some time with our friends and family. Outdoor games like cricket, football, and basketball help in keeping us healthy, fit, and fine. My favorite outdoor game is cricket. Usually on Sundays, I go out to the nearby park and play cricket with my friends. I love to bat and have established the record of hitting more sixes than any of my friends in the locality. I also like football, which I usually play in the rainy season when playing cricket becomes difficult. Often on Sunday evenings, my younger sister insists that I spend some time with her. On such occasions, I play indoor games like Ludo or chess with her. I love playing snakes and ladders because I find it as exciting as cricket. This is so because until we reach the box marked 100, we don't know whether we are safe or not. When the dice is rolled, I wonder whether some snake would eat me and I would come down or go up the ladder and move upward. Chess is also an indoor game that I like but needs much time and patience. So my little sister does not enjoy it much. At times, my mother plays chess with me. She says that playing chess improves our concentration. All of us should actually games, play games that we like. We should remember that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Correct? So you saw how easily we have framed the essays also with the given topics. So when we move ahead, we have a worksheet and many more examples, topics that you have been given so that you can frame the essays, improve your writing skills and your thinking skills as well. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it. So thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.